My last lesson is different ways to say how are you.
What is the meaning of different ways to say how are you?
Cara-cara yang berbeda untuk mengatakan apa kabarmu.
Very good. Now, how do we ask for bagaimana kabarmu in different ways?
How are you doing? How are you holding up? And how is it going?
Very good. How about ada apa?
What's going on and what's up?
Bagaimana keadaan?
How are things?
Bagaimana perasaanmu hari ini?
How are you feeling today?
Apakah kamu baik-baik saja?
Are you doing well?
Bagaimana harimu?
How's your day going?
How about bagaimana minggu ini?
How's your week been?
Bagaimana keluargamu?
How's your family?
Bagaimana kabarmu belakangan ini?
How have you been?
Okay, very good, Zara. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss.